All right, we're going to talk real quick about how to fix red eyes. So, just a disclaimer, you don't have to have the image zoomed this close to be able to fix it. It works the same no matter how small the image or the red eye is. I just will use this picture. So, what you're going to do is find the right toolbox, and most of the time this toolbox will have the spot healing brush presented there, so you'll see this symbol, and then be able to go inside and find the red eye tool. And to fix this is as simple as having the red eye tool selected and then just clicking this area, and the more you click in that area, the more of the red that goes away. And sometimes it does it in one click, sometimes it takes two, but that's it. That is literally it. So, yeah, that's how you fix red eyes in Photoshop.